Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing the iPhone XS Max. This is the silver model. So first on the box you see the new phone, iPhone. On the back I did get the 64GB, and then just says iPhone again. So opening the box, you first get the paper that says designed by Apple in California. And then inside it says hello. This is like the user's manual, and then a little SIM tool, and then the Apple stickers. Alright, so here's the phone. I did already set it up at the Apple store, so that's why you see that the screensaver is already there. And this is what the silver looks like. It's white on the back and then the stainless steel on the sides. So I chose to get the silver phone because I did have the space gray iPhone X before this. And I mean, I liked it. It's just the color was kind of boring. I've had white iPhones in the past and I really liked how they looked. And after getting the space gray iPhone X, I knew that I immediately wanted my next phone to be the white one. I did like the gold, but I was scared that it would be more of like a pink gold, like the old iPhones, but just to be safe, I just went for the silver, and I really like how it looks. It looks really good. But then also in the box you have the charger, and then the earpods without the dongle. That's not included now. And then you have the charger. So first, looking at the phone, the screen is insane. It looks so much bigger in person than it does. I mean, it might even look big in the video, but in person it's huge. But it's still really nice to fit in your hand. I was afraid at first that it would be too big, but it's actually a really good size. And like the Face ID is actually a lot faster than my iPhone X was. So basically, just looking at the phone now, the speed is really fast. And let's check out the camera, because I heard it's a lot better. Alright, so I'm just going to see how fast it takes pictures. Okay, so immediately I can tell that it takes pictures a lot faster than the iPhone X. I remember having the iPhone 4 and the speed was so slow, like taking pictures. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon.